Lights! Cameras rolling! Give me a big nod. Broken machine, stand by! And action! Load, motherfucker, load! Ah, quad load!
That it is.
It's gonna be good video.
Load, shoot shit! Oh! Shoot it again! Gotta shoot at the bottom! There you go, now you got it.
Now I don't know how many rounds I have.
Oh, look, you got
Quick, just shoot till you're empty. Freebie. You gotta hit him! Get him! Oh! Empty load!
I seen you shoot pistols before. You shoot them a lot better than you shoot this.
Get those two, just get those two and step in.
Nope.
Bottom one needs one.
You're gonna run out of ammo.
One on the square. One on the. Come on. Just shoot. Load as you go.
What?
Shoot, load and shoot. Load and shoot. Load and shoot. Bottom one.
Still haven't done quad loads enough.
Do something. Do something. Gotta aim.
I'm trying not to hit the back one.
Nope. There you go. All right, now plate rack. Just shoot it now. Shoot and then reload. All right, load two and hit the plates. Got it. All right. Back and now loading as you move. You're in the box. You're in the box. Safe.
I don't know, is this really faster? I don't know how to load this. Maybe I should have.
You ain't even aiming. Good shot there.
So tiring. Alright. Oh, no, just one. Damn it. Was I so static? How did that not go down?
One more.